Hey guys, working on a Frigidaire freezer on top. Complaint on this one. Fridge turns on for a moment and it clicks off. Now that's going to be your start relay. Take a listen. That's it right there on the compressor. Now listen. See how it's not turning off? Unit is fixed. Start relay and capacitor. I will leave a part number in the description. There it is. Replace that and your unit is fixed. Thank you.